Look, all I'm saying is that we put the damn thing on the grill, add some spices, and it can go from dead chicken to jerk chicken just like that. Whoa.
Can we get Brother Jelly Roll something out of the snack bowl, please?
Ooh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Masaku, sir. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, yes. Yeah, what the hell?
Bring in today's sacrifice.
Is this trail mix? This is tasty.
No, it's cat food.
For real, though?
Yes.
Oh, tastes good to me. All right, freeze. Get your hands up. Everybody in this low-budget, raggedy-ass cult is going to jail. Oh, Lord.
Let me change my shoes, because I'm about to stomp this hoe in the ground.
You got your heat, right?